I'm Dr. James Polevchik. I'm a podiatrist. I work at Ocean Medical Center and Jersey Shore University Medical Center. Growing up, I had a lot of family and family friends that worked in the medical field. I decided at an early age that I wanted to pursue a career where I'd be able to help people. As a student doing my medical rotations, orthopedics as it relates to podiatry and foot and ankle care is definitely the area that I was most interested in. An ankle sprain is typically an injury to any one of the ligaments surrounding the ankle. A fracture is a break that occurs to the bone or joint surfaces. An ankle sprain that's not treated properly could result in long-term pain, disability, could result in reoccurrence of an injury, and can result in premature arthritis. Most ankle sprains occur as a result of a twisting or inversion injury. It's a very common occurrence that can happen with sports or if somebody takes a fall. You should go to the doctor if you think you have an ankle sprain if your pain is uncontrollable, if you're having difficulty walking, if you're having difficulty taking a few steps, if your injury does not get better in, I would say, about 3 to 5 days. That's a time when I would seek attention for it. In more severe cases, if you're in extreme pain and you're not able to walk at all, if you notice deformity or loss of sensation, then you may need to be evaluated in the emergency room. After discussing the injury with the patient, I'll move on to a physical exam. I'll examine all the ligament structures in a detailed manner. We'll also assess the bone and joint surfaces, and we'll put the ankle and the surrounding joints through a range of motion testing. If there's any suspicion that the injury is more than just a minor sprain, x-rays will definitely be obtained. In some instances, we may even need to do an MRI or a CAT scan. Treatment for an ankle sprain can start basically immediately after the injury. Typically, what we'll try to do for anywhere from about 10 to 14 days is to immobilize the ankle and the injured ligaments in some type of brace or protective boot. After an appropriate period of immobilization, we'll typically proceed to an organized physical therapy program that's designed to strengthen the ankle, its injured ligaments, and the surrounding tendon structures. After all appropriate conservative treatment has been rendered, that leaves the patient with chronic pain, chronic weakness or instability in their ankle could require surgical treatment. Typically, we try to treat the patient as conservatively as possible for at least 6 months. Ankle sprains can be prevented by stretching before and after exercise. Also, you can perform strengthening exercises for the ankle. You can work on exercises that improve balance. If there's a history of sprain, it's important to wear good supportive shoes or maybe even an ankle support.